Hi, welcome to our channel Learn Something Every Moment. Today we learn how to solve problems on ages. In earlier video we see some basics on ages. So the first problem is present age of Virendra and Mohan are in the ratio of 5:4 respectively. 3 years hence the ratio of their ages will become 11:9. So the question is what is Mohan's present age in years? So what they give here, the keyword is hence means we already discussed in earlier video. Hence means after. Okay, so present age of Virendra and Mohan are in the ratio is 5:4. So let Virendra age is 5x and Mohan age is 4x. So 3 years hence, okay, means 5x plus 3 by 4x plus 3 equal to 11 by 9. So 5x into 9, 45x plus 27 equal to 44x plus 33. Solve this equation. 45 minus 44, x is equal to 33 minus 27, 6. So x equal to 6. So substitute x value. So Virendra age is 5 into 6, 30. Mohan age is 4 into 6, 24. So what is the question? What is Mohan's present age? What? 24. This is our answer. Got it? Coming to the second problem. The ratio of present ages of Virendra and Kasi is 2:1 and 5 years hence the ratio will be 5:3. What was the ratio of their ages 5 years ago? Here the keywords are hence and ago. Hence means after, ago means before. Okay. The present age of Virendra and Kasi is 2:1 means 2x, 1x. And after 5 years the ratio is 5:3 means 2x plus 5 by x plus 5 is equal to 5 by 3. Again same procedure. 6x plus 15 is equal to 5x plus 25. X is equal to 10, which means Virendra age is 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Present age. Okay. Kasi age is 1 into 10 is equal to 10. Now, after 5 years ago means past. So, 20 minus 5 equal to 15. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Okay. 5 years ago. This one. So, now ratio of these two, 15:5 means 3:1. So what was the ratio of their ages 5 years ago? Okay, mean the answer is 3:1. Got it? Coming to the third problem. The present ages of Lalit, Yash and Pratik are in proportions 4:7:9. 8 years ago, the sum of their ages was 56. Find the Yash present age. Got it? So, let Lalit present age is 4x, Yash present age is 7x, and Pratik present age is 9x. Okay? 8 years ago means 4x minus 8, 7x minus 8, 9x minus 8. Okay. 8 years ago, the sum of their ages was 56. Means the sum of these. Okay. 46 minus 8 plus 4x minus 8 plus 7x minus 8 plus 9x minus 8 is equal to 56. So, do math. 4x plus 7x plus 9x minus 24 equal to 56. 4x plus 7x how much? 11x. 11x plus 9x 20x. and come this side. 56 plus 24, how much? 80. So x is equal to 4. Got it? Now what we want? Find the h present is. What is h is? 7x. So 7 into 4 is equal to 28. This is our answer. Got it? Next, coming to the fourth problem. The ratio between the present ages of Anmol and Sailesh is 5:3. The ratio between Anmol's age 4 years ago and Sailesh age 4 years hence is 1:1. What is the ratio between Anmol's age 4 years hence and Shailesh age 4 years ago? This is a little bit TD task. What they given? Anmol's and Sailesh age is 5:3, which means 5x, 3x. Okay. Now here see. Anmol's age 4 years ago means 4 years ago. Anmol's 5x minus 4 by Sailesh is 4 years hence. Okay. 4 years hence means 3x plus hence na, so future 4 is equal to, what is the ratio? 1 by 1. So 5x minus 4 is equal to 3x plus 4. These come. Okay. 2x is equal to 8. X is equal to 4. Got it? Which means Anmol's present age is 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Shailesh's present age is 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Now what they ask? Ratio between Anmol's age 4 years hence Shailesh age 4 years ago means 20 plus 4 and 12 minus 4. 20 plus 4, 24. 12 minus 4, 8. Ratio between these two, 24 is to 8. Means 3 is to 1. Our answer is this one. Got it? Next. Coming to the next problem. Lakshmi is 2 years older than Virendra, who is twice as old as Subhas. If the total of the ages of 3 members is 27, then how old is Virendra? Here, let me take Subhas age as x. Okay. Then, what is the age of Virendra? Twice as old as Subhas. Means Virendra's age is 2x. Next, Lakshmi is 2 years older than Virendra. Means 2x plus 2. And they given total of the ages of 3 members is 27. Got it? Means x plus 2x plus 2x plus 2 equal to 27. Okay? Calculate now. 3x, 5x. 5x plus 2 is equal to 27. 5x is equal to 25. X is equal to 5. So, Virendra is 2 into x. So, what is the x value? 5. 2 into 5, 10. Our answer is 10. Got it? Coming to next problem. Rohit's present age is 2/5 of the age of his mother. After 8 years, he will be one half of the age of his mother. How old is the mother at present? See, Rohit's present age is 2/5 of the age of his mother. Let me take mother age is x. Okay, mother age is x. Then what is the Rohit present age? 2/5. Okay, mother is. Let Rohit age is y. Okay. Next, After 8 years, he will be 1/2 of the age of his mother. Means after 8 years means y plus 8 equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 of x plus 8. Solve these equations. See, 5y is equal to 2x. 2x minus 5y equal to 0. Here also 2y plus 16 is equal to x plus 8. X minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. Equation 1, equation 2. So this equation multiplied by 2. 2x minus 5y equal to 0 multiplied by 2 means 2x minus 4y is equal to 16. Subtract. Minus y is equal to minus 16. Y is equal to 16. Got it? Now again substitute this value in any of the equation. Let we see in this equation. X minus 2 into 16 minus 8 equal to 0. X minus 32 minus 8 equal to 0. X equal to 40, which means X means mother. So the old of the mother is 40. Got it? Coming to the next problem. The age of father 10 years ago was thrice the age of his son. 10 years hence, father age will be twice that of his son. The ratio of the present age is, okay, 10 years ago. The age of father 10 years ago. Let it be x. The age of father present age is x. So, x minus 10 was thrice the age of his son. Let son age is y. Okay. Y minus 10 into 3. Got it? Next, if 10 years hence means plus. So, father age will be the twice. X plus 10 is equal to twice y plus 10. Okay. Solve these equations. X minus 10 is equal to 3y minus 30 means x minus. So, by solving this equation and this equation, x minus 3y is equal to minus 20, x minus 2y is equal to 10, minus y is equal to minus 30 means y is equal to 30. Okay, so you can substitute in y value in any equation. Let me substitute in this equation. X minus 2 into 30 is equal to 10. X minus 60 is equal to 10. X is equal to 70. So, the ratio of present ages is 70 and 30. So, 70 is to 30 means 7 is to 3. Our answer is 7 is to 3. Got it? Okay. Coming to the next problem. The total age of A and B is 12 years more than the total age of B and C. So, C is how many years younger than A? What they given? The total age of A and B. Let A is X, B age is Y equal to 12 years more than the total age of B and C. 12 plus B age is Y and let C age is Z. Okay. Now, Y cancel. X is equal to 12 plus Z. So, C is how many years younger than A? C age is Z, A age is X means C. X is equal to 12 plus Z means 12 years younger than the A. Got it? Last, this is do it yourself. What is the question? Adil got married 8 years ago. His present age is 6 by 5 times his age at the time of his marriage. Adil's brother Bibas was 10 years younger to him. Now question is, what is the age of Bibas is? Okay? Solve this one and comment the answer. Okay? Thank you for watching. Keep smile.